Botswana had nothing, but today, it is one of the richest countries in Africa. In 1966, they were one of the poorest on the continent until they found diamonds. They didn't sell out to foreign companies. Instead, they insisted on splitting it 50-50. They decided to own their resources. Botswana decided to build institutions. They built strong systems. Their leaders were not looting, they were planning and building. Botswana decided to invest in people, not pockets. Money from diamonds went into education, healthcare, and roads. Ever since they gained independence, there has been no coup, chaos, or tribal war. Botswana proves that vision, discipline, and zero corruption can turn cattle lands into a stable economy. Other African countries have gold, oil, gas, tourism, but still bleed from bad leadership. Botswana teaches one thing: it's not what you have, it's how you lead.